Hi, welcome to QuickBook Tutorial. I'm Michelle and I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor list. Open the QuickBooks, select Start menu, All Programs, QuickBooks, select QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. Then click Home. Then choose the vendors. Then click the New Vendor button. Enter a name in the vendor name text box. Then click the address info. Enter the company name. First name, middle initial, the last name, then click the address details button. Then fill up the city, state, postal code, country, then okay. Then click the additional info tab. The account number, the type of the vendor, terms, then click OK. Then click OK. Thank you.